How to measure a 200-second low-speed bus. The normal depth of each channel is 64 megasamples. Click on the top of the toolbar option. From the drop-down menu, click on the channel folding. In 32-channel mode, there will be 128 megasamples per channel. In 8-channel mode, there will be 512 megasamples per channel. In 4-channel mode, there will be 1 gigasamples per channel.
Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position.
Set the trigger condition. Click the single capture icon. Start the device under test. Waiting for the record to complete. Waiting for download data. Add protocol decoders. Find I2C protocol decoder. Wait for the decoder protocol to complete. Click the packet list icon. Users can hide items in the package list and clearly view. Click on the top of the toolbar Analysis. From the drop-down menu, click on the Find. Users can use the search function to quickly check the results. Double-click the item in the results window and the waveform will be displayed synchronously. Double-click the packet in the packet list and the waveform will be displayed synchronously.
Thank you for watching.